To begin, let's understand what have, has and had mean. At their core, these verbs denote possession or ownership. For instance, I have a car or she has a dog. But they also have other uses which we'll explore today. Remember, in English, verbs change based on tense and the subject of sentence. Have and has are used in the present tense while had is used in the past tense. Firstly, we have and has. They are both present tense, but have is used with the pronouns I, you, we and they, while has is used with he, she and it. For example, I have a pen or he has a book. Easy, right? Had, on the other hand, is used for all pronouns when you're talking about the past. So whether it's I, you, he, she, it, had remains constant. For example, they had a cat or she had a hat. That's pretty straightforward, right? Now let's dive into the fun part, perfect tenses. Have, has and had are used as auxiliary or helping verbs in perfect tenses. Have and has are used in the present perfect, while had is used in the past perfect. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that started in the past and continue to the present. The structure is have, has, plus past participle. For example, I have lived in London for 3 years. Or he has eaten sushi before. See how that works? The past perfect tense is used to express something that happened a specific time in the past. The structure is had plus past participle. For instance, they had left the party before I arrived. Or she had already seen the movie. Notice how we use had regardless of the subject. Let's put this knowledge into practice with a few exercises. Here's our first sentence. She dash a new book. Since she is the subject, we use has. So, she has a new book. Let's try another one. I dash breakfast already. Since it's an action completed in the recent past, we use the present perfect tense with I. So, I have had breakfast already. In conclusion, have, has and had might seem tricky at first, but once you understand their role in expressing possession and forming perfect tenses, they become much easier. Practice makes perfect, and with these verbs, that's certainly the case. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Embrace the process and don't worry about making mistakes. So here's an exercise for you. Pause the video and write the answers in the comment section. Alright, take a moment and fill those in. Pause the video if you need more time. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.